Hey, so if your profile changes on Glassdoor are not saving or updating, yeah, don't worry. This is a pretty common issue. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First thing, refresh the page and try editing again. Sometimes updates don't save due to a temporary glitch. Next, check your internet. So, unstable Wi-Fi or switching networks can stop profile updates from saving properly. All right, this might sound simple, but make sure you actually click Save after editing. I mean, without saving, changes won't apply. Now, double-check all required fields. Missing information like job title or experience can block updates from going through. If it still doesn't work, clear your browser cache or try incognito mode. So this removes stored data that might be interfering with updates. Next, disable browser extensions like ad blockers. They can sometimes block profile update scripts from running correctly. And yeah, if nothing works, try another device or use the mobile app. I mean, this helps confirm if the issue is device related. So that's how you fix Glassdoor profile not updating issues. One of these steps should get your changes saved properly.